Gut health refers to the balance and function of bacteria and other microorganisms in the digestive tract. These microorganisms, collectively known as the gut microbiome, play a crucial role in digesting food, absorbing nutrients, and defending against pathogens. These microbes, when properly balanced, protect your immune system and assist with digestion. And when you eat well, exercise often, and lead a stress-free life, your gut microbiome stays healthy. But a healthy gut not only aids digestion but also contributes to improved immunity, mental health, and even weight management. This video will delve into how a keto diet can improve your digestion and provide practical tips and tricks for shopping for fermented foods that further boost gut health. But first, let's take a closer look at why gut health matters a lot. Digestion and nutrient absorption. A healthy gut efficiently breaks down food and absorbs nutrients, ensuring your body gets the essential vitamins and minerals it needs. Immune function. About 70% of your immune system resides in your gut. A balanced microbiome helps maintain a robust immune response. When the gut microbiome is healthy and balanced, your body's ability to digest food, absorb nutrients from it, and protect itself from harmful pathogens are all elevated. Mental health. The gut-brain axis is a communication network linking your gut and brain. A healthy gut can positively influence mood and cognitive function. Weight management. Gut bacteria can affect how your body stores fat and balances blood sugar levels, impacting weight and metabolic health. A damaged gut is a specific example of the metabolic damage that being overweight or eating too many unhealthy foods can lead to. This is one reason why metabolic diseases like heart disease and cancer are some of the leading causes of premature death in America. And how keto supports gut health. Reduced inflammation. A ketogenic diet can reduce inflammation in the gut. High-carb diets, especially those rich in refined sugars and processed foods, can cause gut inflammation, leading to conditions like leaky gut syndrome. By eliminating these inflammatory foods, the keto diet helps promote a healthier gut lining. Improved digestion. Keto can help regulate bowel movements and improve symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and other digestive disorders. The diet's emphasis on whole, unprocessed foods aids in smoother digestion and better nutrient absorption. What are fermented foods? Fermentation is a natural way of preserving foods that has been used for thousands of years. It gives foods a unique flavor, aroma, texture, and appearance. Fermented foods are foods and beverages that have undergone controlled microbial growth and fermentation. This process not only preserves the food but also enhances its nutritional value and adds beneficial probiotics, which are live bacteria that provide health benefits when consumed. And here are some benefits of using fermented foods as part of your keto diet lifestyle. Rich in probiotics. Fermented foods are a natural source of probiotics, which help replenish and maintain a healthy gut microbiome. Enhanced nutrient absorption. The fermentation process breaks down nutrients into more digestible forms, making it easier for your body to absorb them. Boosted immune system. Probiotics from fermented foods support the immune system by preventing the growth of harmful bacteria and enhancing the production of natural antibodies. Improved digestion. Fermented foods can improve digestion and alleviate symptoms of digestive disorders, such as bloating, gas, and constipation. It can improve also heart health, possibly lower blood pressure, and lower cholesterol. Now let's see a few keto-friendly fermented foods and how to incorporate it into your keto diet to improve your digestion. Sauerkraut. Made from fermented cabbage, sauerkraut is low in carbs and rich in probiotics, vitamins, and fiber. Kimchi. A Korean dish made from fermented vegetables. Kimchi is packed with probiotics, antioxidants, and essential nutrients. Kefir. A fermented dairy product similar to yogurt. Kefir is lower in carbs and higher in probiotics, making it a great addition to a keto diet. Pickles. Fermented cucumbers, or pickles, are low in carbs and provide a good dose of probiotics and fiber. Kombucha. A fermented tea, kombucha is low in carbs and contains beneficial probiotics, enzymes, and antioxidants. Here are a few tips for incorporating fermented foods into your keto diet. Start slowly. Introduce fermented foods gradually to avoid digestive discomfort. Start with small portions and increase as your body adjusts. Diverse options. Incorporate a variety of fermented foods to benefit from different strains of probiotics. Homemade versus store-bought. Homemade fermented foods can be more potent and cost-effective, but store-bought options are convenient. Look for products with live cultures and minimal added sugars. Consistent intake. Consistency is key for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. Aim to include fermented foods in your daily diet. Now let me give you some tips of how to shop for fermented foods. Reading labels. When shopping for fermented foods, it's crucial to read labels carefully to ensure you're getting the best product for your gut health. Live cultures. Look for products labeled with live cultures or contains probiotics. This indicates that the product still contains the beneficial bacteria from fermentation. No added sugars. Avoid fermented foods with added sugars, as they can negate the benefits of the probiotics and disrupt ketosis. Natural ingredients. Choose products with minimal ingredients and avoid those with artificial preservatives, colors, and flavors. Shopping tips. Visit health food stores. Health food stores and natural grocers often have a wider selection of high-quality fermented foods. Farmers markets. Local farmers markets can be a great place to find fresh, homemade fermented foods. Online shopping. Many specialty online stores offer a variety of fermented foods, often with detailed descriptions and reviews to help you choose the best products. Budget-friendly options. Fermented foods can be pricey, but there are ways to enjoy their benefits without breaking the bank. DIY fermentation. Making your own fermented foods at home can be a fun and cost-effective way to incorporate them into your diet. Sauerkraut, kimchi, and yogurt are all relatively easy to make. Bulk purchases. Buying fermented foods in bulk can save money in the long run. Many health food stores offer discounts on larger quantities. Seasonal shopping. Purchase ingredients for fermentation when they are in season and more affordable. For example, cabbage is often cheaper in the fall, making it a great time to make sauerkraut. Remember that maintaining a healthy gut involves a holistic approach, including diet, lifestyle, and individual factors. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. Thank you for watching this video, and please, do not forget to check out our online keto and healthy diet store where you can buy up to 30% below retail price.